Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound playing after the headphones connected to your phone. I know that you may not connect your earbuds especially to the phone, but you need to just do the same. So, if you have no sound, make sure that you don't have your volume set to 0. Yes, I know that is a rookie mistake, but it happens sometimes, I know, and you know it too. So check if you don't have the volume set to 0, and this should be fixed. If it's not it, you need to now change the input audio for and output audio for your earbuds in your phone or on every other device. This should be helpful for you. But if that's not the case, you need to just try to do a factory reset. At first, unpair your phone from your earbuds and turn your phone off. Then open the case and hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds. You will see this LED light flashing over here for at least 3 times rapidly. You need to hold this button for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now it's done. Now you should be able to use your headphones without any problems. If still a problem, you need to just contact device support. And goodbye, have a nice day.